Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I thank you so much for tuning in today. And as always, I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I'm participating in Tablescape Sunday. That's a collaboration that is hosted and co-hosted every 2 weeks. It's a lot of fun. And the host for this week is Cynthia She SoBless. Now, she has 4 co-hosts. They're the other members of the Diva Dynasty, and they are Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Miss Geraldine of Diva Decorating, and the lovely, lovely Miss Alberta, and her channel is Mysterious Alberta. Now, I don't know if you know the Diva Dynasty or subscribe to any of these ladies' channels, but if you don't, please find your way down to the description box, click those links, go and visit their channels and show them some love today. I promise you, you will not regret it. I've also put the playlist below. That way you can go and view all of the other creators that have participated in this collaboration. And I'm sure you're going to see some fantastic tablescapes. Now, Miss Cynthia didn't give us a lot of rules for this. We were to include some dollar store items, and we could do either a glam or farmhouse look, any color palette that we wanted. Now, guys, what I've been trying to do is really stretch myself and combine some different colors, maybe colors you normally wouldn't see together. You're going to see me try my hand at farmhouse and shabby chic and, you know, all kinds of styles, just to get myself out of the always doing glam, although I will still do my glam tablescapes. Now, for this one, I kind of combine both, I think. A little bit of glam, maybe there's a little farmhouse too, and it's a different color palette than I would typically use. And guys, I welcome all of your comments. You know, you tell me what you think, but I'm going to stop talking now, let you take a look at the tablescape, and then I will hop back on at the end just to say a couple words. Now, before I do that, though, I do want to say, if you're not yet a member of this channel, I hope you'll subscribe today and hit that notifications bell. Tap it 2 times so that you'll be notified every time I upload new content. So again, here I give to you my Dollar Tree Tablescape hosted by Cynthia She SoBless. All right, guys, I thank you so much for watching. And if you stayed on to this point, I thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, quickly, I just wanted to give another shout out to the host. Again, they're the ladies of Diva Dynasty. And remember, their channels are Cynthia She SoBless, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Miss Geraldine of Diva Decorating, Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living, and of course, Miss Mysterious Alberta. Go please check out the playlist and make sure that you visit every single one of their channels. I promise you, you won't regret it. And remember, if you're not a member of this channel, please go ahead and subscribe today and hit that notifications bell 2 times. Now, guys, I just want to close out with what I always say, and that is, I want to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.